walk in the shop this morning, and here's my wonderful bride out here on the welding table fixture, and we got her some outriggers reversed. Got that 100-pound motor, and she weighs 99 pounds. Never tell them what you really well. 99 pounds is what we're going to call it. So she's smiling, and this is December 22nd, and lo and behold, my dilemma about the ceilings, absolutely after sleeping on it, and I said that in part 7, it comes out the side. Yeah, the pitman arm comes out the side. Now, I'm going to walk around here real quick. You know, I was concerned that I was going to have to build a whole big rack to clear these ceilings. And I had some really good comments, and Fox, I appreciate it. And coming out the side, not out the top, because even with this notch here and removing the knuckle, she wasn't coming out. Choked down just above the oil fill tube, and it eased right out of here. No dings, no damage. Let's see if we can get in here. But I did have to take the adjuster all the way down, and that was something that, you know, of course, without a manual, I just assumed. And I had some real short 1 16" ratchets and stuff, but here she is. She's out. It'll go to the parts washer. And bride, wish everybody a happy holidays, please.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, have a great holiday, be safe, God bless.
All right, Bear's Rod Shop for part 8 of the Klopp. And then I got to get in here, and I'm going to see if we can see that little pin right. I don't want to stick my big finger in there. I got to drive that pin out, move that gear off the part of the transmission, and then all these gears got to come out, go to parts cleaning. And so hopefully by maybe spring, this thing will be up and turn its first ship. So thanks to all of our subscribers and followers, and Klopp 450. Yeah, we're still waiting on seeing about what it actually is. I mean, it's a tank, but I'm thinking it might be a 425 still. So thanks to all the guys out there who have been a tremendous help over the years. And again, we've marked everything for bushings going into the parts washing tank. And hopefully by Saturday, she'll be completely stripped down, setting finally on the floor. All right, bride.
Give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs up, please. Hit that notification bell. Bear's Rod Shop, mom and pop shop in Texas. We appreciate you guys.
Please share.